any person serving in connection with the affairs of the state, whether remunerated by salary or not, and include every person who is authorized to receive, keep, carry or spend money on behalf of the government is called. Answer: government servant. Money standing in the government account must be held at where? Answer: either in the treasury or bank. The treasuries of the state of Kerala shall be under the administrative control of whom? Answer: Director of Treasuries. All money received or deposited with any officer employed in connection with the affairs of state in his capacity as such other than revenues or public money shall be paid into. Answer: public account. From the following, which is included in the direct appropriation of the departmental receipts for departmental expenditure? Answer: discount to stamp vendors on account of the value of stamp. The authority competent to permit withdrawal for any purpose is. Answer: Accountant General. From the following, which can be drawn from government account without the authorization from Accountant General? Answer: loans sanctioned by government which is to be repaid with payment of interest. A disputable claim before the Treasury officer may be. Answer: the Treasury officer shall require the claimant to refer it to Accountant General. The form of last pay certificate may be prescribed by. Answer: Controller and Auditor General. The Treasury officer shall be responsible to dash for the acceptance of the validity of a claim against which he is permitted withdrawal. Answer: Accountant General. Who is the competent authority in circumstances of urgency? By an order in writing authorize and require a treasury officer to make payment not being payment of pension? Answer: District Collector. The District Treasury Officer Ernakulam has rejected a bill towards the payment of honorarium to a gazetted government servant, stating that the payment can be made only after getting the payslip from Accountant General. The action of the Treasury Officer is. Answer: B. Wrong. The form of specimen signature card is. Answer: TR 74A. In the case of intergovernment transactions, all adjustment the balance of the state by debit or credit to another government shall be made through. Answer: Central Accounts sections of the Reserve Bank of India. The Accountant General, in the exercise of any of his functions, shall be subject to the general control of. Answer: Controller and Auditor General. The Director of Treasuries shall inspect each district treasury at. Answer: At least once in an year. The word treasury irregularity related with. Answer: When an irregularity committed by any treasury is brought to the notice of the Director of Treasuries by the Accountant General. The Director of Treasuries shall verify the cash balance in each district treasury at. Answer: At least once in 3 months. The form for safe custody register is. Answer: TR 28. The Treasury Officer shall verify the stamp, opium, ganja, and other valuables in. Answer: Once in every 6 months. Who is responsible for the handling of the money at the Treasury? Answer: Chief Treasurer. The Sub-Treasury is in the general charge of. Answer: Sub-Treasury Officer. The Sub-Treasury Officer shall verify the cash balance of a Sub-Treasury at. Answer: At least twice a month. In a non-banking treasury, the District Treasury Officer shall verify the cash balance. Answer: Once in a month. Form of District Treasury Cash Balance Report is. Answer: TR 35.